Where we are now? Where are we?
Opera.
We are in the Opera Cafe
Bukit Bintang.
at Bukit Bintang, South Hill Mall, right? And we're gonna review all the menus, some of the menu, right?
Yes.
And why we here?
We're here because we don't know what to do with our money.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Huh? Yeah. We're rich like that, you know.
Oh yeah.
That's the kind of friendship that we have. So we'll let you see what's going to happen later, and we'll let you witness how we spend the money that we don't know what to do with. So later we'll show you everything. Wait. Okay.
Guys, so now we're gonna discuss about the menu, right? We're gonna try, and what we gonna order for the first menu?
It's called the Opera Glass.
I think this is Opera Love Drink.
Opera Love Drink. Yeah. It looks like this.
We'll see later lah. No need to explain. We'll see later, okay?
But for me, the way it looks like, it's called Opera. What do you call it? Opera Love Drink, because it's like you're going to operate the heart.
Yeah.
Later we'll see.
Yeah. We will see the real one, and the price. Maybe
No
No need to the price. It's for you to find out.
Yes, because
We don't want you guys to be envious.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. You can search for the price. It's not appropriate to discuss the price.
Yeah. They have Instagram also, right?
Yeah, so that you can visit. You'll have the chance to check yourself.
Yeah. And the second menu is hot chocolate.
Okay, so we're going to order rich hot chocolates.
Yes.
So this is how it looks like. Later you'll see the actual like hot chocolate. Looks cute, right?
Yeah.
So later.
Like us, right? And the third is
Hey, what's your
opera.
contribution?
Yeah. Contribute lah.
Say something.
For the third menu. For the third menu.
it's like what is the terminal?
Opera drink.
Opera drink.
We-
Okay, so the opera drink is a drink. Basically, it's a drink served in opera cafe. So yeah, that's called opera drink.
Okay.
Everything is operated.
So the opera drink is like the very special one. Maybe we will show you for
Later.
the last,
Yeah.
Because it's the best, the most viral.
It's a rare
menu.
order.
Yeah, rare order.
The way it's
very,
served.
very special, entertaining, yeah, like a show. We'll see later.
Pass. High five.
No. Just pause this now. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. Oh my God. Who is he? Who is he? Who is he? I know.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Sampai ada musiknya juga, seru banget sih. Nat, di coconut apa sih itu? Apa sih?
Okay.
Let's try.
So this is you can get.
Yeah. I think in the top is minced coconut, right? With brown sugar.
Wow, this is like a petai, you know petai?
Is it?
Petai.
No.
This one, it's like a...
Masa sih?
I think it's like kuaci, you know, kuaci.
Oh,
Matahari.
biji bunga matahari.
Sunflower seeds.
Yeah, sunflower seed. And also there's flower, right?
This is the fruit.
Berry.
Okay, let's test first. Bismillah.
Is it nice?
It's really Middle Eastern taste. It's not a... I'm not sure it's really coconut or not. Maybe it's coconut, but the taste
Sweet.
sweet. Sorry. It's cream, yeah. It's cream. Yeah. Sweet, but not really sweet. That's not that sweet. Just perfect. And let's try the Odyssey.
This is the opera glass, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So according to the menu, opera glass is made of special kunafa with cream. So you just Google what it is, kunafa.
That's
So
why
they know and I don't know. So
You don't know kunafa?
no,
very
please.
Middle Eastern.
Yeah, it's very
Okay.
iconic.
So there, it's special kunafa with cream, fruit and pistachio served in glass.
Pistachio.
Yes. And then yeah, there. And then some fruits like berry, strawberry,
And flower.
And flower.
That's it. You.
Next. Oh. It's worth the price. I can say.
Is it good, right?
Yeah, it's worth the price. It's not too sweet, not less tasty. It's just right.
Now, my turn. So basically this is kunafa but the luxury one, right? Kunafa in the luxury. So I will try the
Blueberry.
blueberry. I want to say this is blueberry, no?
It is.
Blackberry.
Blackberry, yeah.
Blackberry.
Yeah, blueberry.
Okay, I will try.
It's a black carrot. Right?
Black currant.
Let's feed our beautiful camera woman.
No.
Please.
Still.
Huh? Sour.
You have the fruit.
You
Yeah.
see the fruit.
But this is yummy, right? This is kunafa in the level up. Yeah.
Alright, so what's called again? Creamy hot chocolate, right? So we're not about creamy rich chocolate. So we're now about to taste it. It also has baby marshmallows, right? In our province, there's what we call tablea. So if you know what tablea is, it's a dark chocolate. This one is the lighter version of it. Like, not too sweet, not too dark, just right. So there. It's all for you.
Yeah, for me same because Novi already mentioned all the flavor. It's sweet, light, and creamy. There's a
Copy
baby,
paste. Yeah.
There's a baby marshmallow also here, so this is nice. And only 35, right?
Only 35, okay.
I told you, very rich like that, only 35.
Okay. It smells.
Thank you.
You only got one straw.
But you have first to eat this one.
Okay.
Okay, after that you can go to store.
Alright,
Okay.
thank you.
Okay guys, teman-teman, this is we have tried Opera Cafe here in Star Hill Bukit Bintang, and as you see before, it's very great experience, and yes, very great lah, very great.
Very satisfied, right?
It's not only the good, it's this is an experience, and the entertainment,
The
service, all of them.
entertain, yeah. And even the theme, so pink.
What's the price?
Yeah. Okay. So our takeaway for this experience is it's okay to spend for expensive places and food like this, so that you can, as they mentioned, experience it. But it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to do it every day or as often as you can. And also, it's not the food that you're paying for. It's the service, the ambience, the feel of the place, how it feels like to eat in a formal restaurant like this, especially if you're just eating in mamak, you know what I mean. So at least you have an experience. So it's just not the food, the service, but also the vibe and the place also. Me, I'm not really into this kind of place, but yeah, it's worth the price. You must try it. Again, Cafe Opera Cafe, whatever.
Yeah.
Sampai ketemu lagi.
Your contribution.
Sampai ketemu lagi.
Oh, special mention to Malik. Very good. We wanted to hire him as a photographer and videographer, but we're not sure if we can afford him, so we just let him go home.
Are you sure about that?
But
Yeah,
very
thanks.
excellent service. Thank you, Malik.
Thank you juga for Aya, Miss Aya.
Oh, the woman.
Yeah, the first lady.
Oh,
Come, you know her name.
oh, so jealous. Jealous. So, one more thing. There's a difference. There are a lot of differences when it comes to services. Some waitresses and managers are just there to smile at you because they have to. This one is genuine from start to finish.
Yes,
They're like
Very engaged.
very engaging, very true with the service that they provide. It's not like they're just doing it just for the sake of doing it. It's from the heart. So you'll feel the good vibe in here. So
So
come visit.
maybe we can share the total we spent it for 4, right?
We spent 220 ringgit.
Yeah,
Not that
it's for
much,
four,
right?
so
4
it's-
people.
4 people.
It's nice.
Yeah. So that's it. Thank you so much, guys. I hope
See you in
learned
another
something.
video.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Please like and subscribe.